Good afternoon on Friday the 22nd of March. Still suffering from this infernal cough. That's the leftover of this cold. It's now coming up for 2 weeks and it's driving me mad. And saying that, I'm cheering myself up with my Cheerful Heart shirt. Time now is 25 past 1. And I'll soon be heading out for some lunch. And plans for the weekend. I've got a feeling I won't be doing much because of this blasted cough, but I shall endeavour to keep myself busy.